Welcome, dear children, to the new lesson in physics. Today we are discussing how to find natural sines, natural cosines, and natural tangents of particular angles. For finding this, you can use the data sheet given at the back side of the lab manual. Okay, first we will discuss how to find sine values. For example, we'll take sine 10 degree. What is sine 10 degree? How to find sine 10 degree from this table? So as you can see in the table on the left margin you have actually the angles in degree, 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, etc. These values. Okay, that's given in degree. So it is up to 90 degree. Now you have many tables, that means columns here on right side of that particular margin, these columns. In these columns minute values are given. You know 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So that division is given there. That means for 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. For certain minute values, the columns are there. So 6 minute is the same as 0.1 degree, 12 minute is the same as 0.2 degree, 18 minute is the same as 0.3 degree, and so on. Okay, so this relation you have to keep in mind. It's not 60 degree, it is 60 minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Now how to find that sine 10 degree? So you have to look in the column 10. That means in the left hand side, that means in the margin, left hand side margin, you locate the row with 10. So this row you have to locate. So here only 10 degree. So you can look in the column 10 degree in that row corresponding to 0 minute. That means you can look in this particular column. So you have 0.736, 0.1736. So the value of sine 10 degree, it is 0.1736. So that's how we can find the value of sine of a particular angle. Now one more example we will discuss, sine 12 degree 18 minute. So to find sine of 12 degree 18 minute, we have to look in the row 12 degree, that is this row, and in the column 18 minute. So when we look that value, we'll get 0 0.2130. 0 0.2130. Take care, in that table, no, in these columns only in the first column that decimal point is given. So that decimal point is applicable to all the data values in this table, but it is not applicable in mean difference column. I'll tell you about mean difference column. So in mean difference column it is not applicable. So up to that 54 minute, that column, that decimal point is applicable. Okay, now one more example we will discuss, that is sine 12 degree 20 minute. Sine 12 degree 20 minute. So here when we say 20 minute, that 20 minute is not directly given in this in these columns. 12 minute is not there. So first of all we can start with the 12 degree row. Okay, 12 degree row you have to locate. Then 20 minute, no, 20 minute we can write it as 18 plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. Okay, so you have to look with 12 minute, that means 12 degree 18 minutes. So as we did earlier, you will get the value 0 0.2130. So in that way you will get 0.2130. Now here 2 is remaining. that you have to look in that mean difference column. So in the same row, in the mean difference column, that means 12 degree row, in that same row itself, you have to look in the mean difference column corresponding to 2, corresponding to 2. So when you look in that row corresponding to 2, you will get 6. So that 6 is to be added with the fourth, that means after the decimal point, 4 digits are there, no, with that in that fourth digit place you have to add that 6. So you will have the value as 0.2136. The value is 0.2136. So that is how we can find the sine of an angle. Our next example is sine 32 degree 52 minute. Sine of 32 degree 52 minute we need to find. So here we have to look in the row 32 degree, and in that row corresponding to which column we have to look. Here it is 52 minute. 52 minute is not there in that column. 42, then 42, then 48, after 48 it is actually 54, but here it is only 52. So 52 can be written as 48 plus 4. So we can take it as 48 plus 4. So 48 plus 4, you can look in the column 48. So which is that column 48? 48 is, this is the column with the 48. So this particular value, that is 0.54. So in 32 row, okay, in that column 0.5417, 0.5417 we will get. Now 4 is remaining. That means you have to look in the mean difference column. Looking in mean difference column, this is corresponding to 4. In the same row, it is 4. So that 10 is to be added. So it becomes 0. I'm writing here 0.5717 plus 10, that becomes 27. So 0.5427. That is the sine of 32 degree 50 minute.
If any other angle is given, you can approximate it to 0.1, 0.2 like that. That means if minutes are given in some other values, you cannot locate like this. So you can convert it into points, decimals. How can you convert it into decimal? That minute value you just take and divide it with 60. So you'll get that decimal point. So with that particular degree, look in that particular decimal column, you will get the value of that particular sine value. That's what you can do. Then if the decimal points are recurring, means 0.543 like that it is going, you can do rounding. So after rounding, what value you get for that particular value, you can easily find sine value. Hope you followed. You can follow the same method for finding tan also. So tan 40, tan 60, whatever value it is given, you can use the same method as you follow in sine. So both tan and sine in the same way. Only the difference is for cosine. Now let's move on to cosine. In cosine, in finding direct angles, that means cos 10 degree. Cos 10 degree, it is very easy, 0.9848. It is very easy. For another example, cos 12 degree 18 minutes. Cos 12 degree 18 minutes means 12 degree 18 minutes. So it is 0.9770. 0.9770. That is this particular value. Okay, so that is direct one. Now the problem comes while dealing with mean difference. So how to apply that mean difference? Let's discuss. Take one example, that is cos 27 degree 38 minute we need to find. Okay, so 27 degree 38 minute is the problem. We know multiples of 6 minutes are there in the table. Directly it is there. So nearest multiple of 6 is what? 36. So as an addition you have to write. So 38 can be written as what? 38 can be written as 36 plus 2. So what you will do is, you will look in the column corresponding to 27, look in the row corresponding to 27 and in the column 36. So here the top portion of the table is not there, but you can see it is 0, then 6, then 12, 15, 15, 21, 27, then 36. So that 27, in the column 27, that value is 0.8862. So that's what we get from that table corresponding to 36. Now in the same row, you look in the column in the mean difference part, that is this 3. That 3 is to be subtracted here. That is the difference. So when you subtract 3, you will have 59. So it becomes 0.8859. So cosine 27 degree 38 minute is 0.8859. So while doing in sine and cos, it's enough to find it's enough to add the value from mean difference column. But in finding cos, you have to subtract the value from mean difference column. Now some examples I will show. You try yourself and verify whether you are getting the same answer or not.